This quick guide will teach you how to delete an admin team member from Honeybook. Whether you're streamlining your team or simply updating your admin list, removing a team member from Honeybook is a straightforward process. Let's dive in and take it step by step so you can manage your team with ease. First, you'll need to navigate to your settings. This is your starting point for making any changes to your team. From the navigation menu, look for either your profile photo or your company logo. Clicking on either will open a drop-down menu. From there, you'll want to select Company Settings. This area of Honeybook is crucial as it houses all the controls you need to manage your business operations and team details. Once you're in Company Settings, the next step is to open the Team tab. You'll find this at the top of your screen, nestled among other options. The Team tab is where you can view and manage all your current team members. It's like the central hub for team management on Honeybook, providing an overview of who's currently part of your team and their roles. Now let's focus on deleting the member you wish to remove. Scroll through the list of team members until you find the admin or team member you need to delete. This might take a moment if you have a large team, so be sure to double check that you are selecting the correct person. Once you've identified the right member, look to the right of their name. You should see a small trash can icon. This icon is your tool for removing the member from your team. You'll need to click on the trash can icon next to the name of the admin or team member you wish to remove. This will initiate the deletion process. However, don't worry about accidental clicks. Honeybook has a safeguard in place. After you click the trash can, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is essential for ensuring that no unintended deletions occur. Once you confirm, the admin or team member will be removed from your Honeybook team. It's as simple as that. Managing your team in Honeybook is designed to be user-friendly, allowing you to keep your team list current with just a few clicks. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted an admin team member from Honeybook. Remember, keeping your team list up to date is important for ensuring smooth business operations and clear communication within your team. Consider periodically reviewing your team settings to ensure everything is in order. Thanks for following along in this quick guide. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on managing your Honeybook account. Until next time, happy organizing!